So now that the GIMP is in position, we need to begin the cloth work inside the P. Everything inside here is done in a cross, twist, cross. A linen stitch, a cloth stitch, but it's cross, twist, cross. So first we're going to start up at the top. With the 2 pairs up at the top, we're going to do 1 stitch, continue to the left, and do 2 and 3. Then I tried to give you some hints with colors. Every time we do a pass, I'm going to call it, it goes a different direction. First we go to the left, then we go to the right, then we go to the left, then we go to the right, then we go to the left, then we go to the right, then we go to the left. So if you're not alternating directions, you're not doing it correctly. So the first time, as I said, we're going to start at the top and go to the left. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll walk you through that. So looking at what we have here, in the center, we have 2 pairs on each side of the pin. Our worker to start with is on the right. We're doing a cloth stitch, so it's a cross, twist, cross. Tension it as much as you can, but not very much. Then you go to the next pair on your left, and you use the same worker, cloth, cross, twist, cross. Go to the next pair on the left, cross, twist, cross. So I did 1, 2, 3 stitches, and my worker is now on the left hand side, and I'm going to tension it just a little bit. And if you don't tension your GIMP, it will get a funny lump in it. Now if you remember, I then said we're going to go the other direction. So first we went 1, 2, 3. I can't use that same 1 again, I've already used it. So we go over to the next one. We take that outside pair and it goes across. It really is much more simple than it appears. I just worked this pair through. You can see the cloth stitch here. You can see it crossing over everything. It wouldn't make any sense to try to do this one back because it just makes a lump. So you're going to continue with this pair, which is the second pair from the ground that you brought in. So let's go to the right. Cloth stitch 1, 2, 3, and there's one more pair that we brought in, so it's 4. Cross, twist, cross, and that makes 4. We do a little bit of tensioning to bring it up. Can't do a whole lot, but we will work on it. So now that pair wouldn't make any sense to bring it back. We need to bring the next pair back, which is the bottom pair from that outside ground that came in. Let's see how many stitches. 1, cross, twist, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each one is cross, twist, cross, and I count as I go across. I did 4 pairs. As you see, I'm actually tensioning them one at a time to try to get nice tension up here on the top of my circle. And if you see little lumps, keep working at it. The tension is what makes it look good. If you don't tension it, it's not going to work. So we have now done, we went to the left, 1, 2, 3. We picked up the one that made sense, the bottom one coming in. We went 1, 2, 3, 4 through everything that was available. We drop this one again. We take the outside one, and we went 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you'll finish that part, we will then work on the outside.